Hello, hello. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners. My name is John, and I will be your teacher today. I speak slow, I use simple words, I help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
Hi, John. Hello, everyone. I'm Mateo. I'm here to learn English with you.
Great, Mateo. Today, our topic is very important for real life: how to say sorry and how to fix mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn.
Yes, I make mistakes every day.
Me too, Mateo. We all do. And today, we learn how to say sorry, how to correct a mistake, and how to be polite. But before that, we will practice greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities, all with repeat after me practice. Then we connect everything to our main theme.
Let's go.
Let's start with greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
Great. Now simple greeting sentences. Hello, how are you? Repeat. Hello, how are you?
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Repeat. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Now let's review numbers. Repeat slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Now small sentences. I have one question. Repeat. I have one question.
I have one question.
I made 2 mistakes. Repeat. I made 2 mistakes.
I made 2 mistakes.
Great. That sentence is important today. Repeat the days with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. Now in simple phrases. On Monday, I study. Repeat. On Monday, I study.
On Monday, I study.
On Friday, I relax. Repeat. On Friday, I relax.
On Friday, I relax.
Let's practice common objects. Repeat after me. Phone, bag, book, pen, key, card, paper.
Phone, bag, book, pen, key, card, paper.
Good. Now simple sentences. I lost my key. Repeat. I lost my key.
I lost my key.
I need a pen. Repeat. I need a pen.
I need a pen.
Now food and drinks to keep things fun. Repeat after me. Water, coffee, tea, juice, bread, apple, sandwich.
Water, coffee, tea, juice, bread, apple, sandwich.
Great job. Now sentences. I drink coffee. Repeat. I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I eat bread. Repeat. I eat bread.
I eat bread.
Repeat these daily activities. I wake up. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. I study. I read. I walk. I go home. I sleep.
I wake up. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. I study. I read. I walk. I go home. I sleep.
Very good, Mateo. Now let's learn how to say sorry. Listen and repeat. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. My mistake. Excuse me. Pardon. Pardon.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. my mistake, excuse me, pardon.
Good. These words are simple but powerful. Mateo, imagine you step on someone's foot by accident.
I say, I'm sorry.
Very good. Imagine you speak too fast and the person does not understand.
I say, sorry, my mistake.
Perfect. Imagine you interrupt someone.
I say, excuse me.
Excellent. Now, dear listener, repeat after me. I'm sorry. My mistake. Excuse me. Can you repeat, please? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Now, let's learn how to correct a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. You are learning. It is okay. Repeat after me. Let me try again. Wait, that is wrong. Let me fix it. Can I say it again? That is not correct. This is the correct word.
Great.
Now, Mateo, say, I have 3 apples.
I have 3 apples? No, 3 apples.
Good correction. Now say, I'm sorry, my mistake, I have 3 apples.
I'm sorry, my mistake, I have 3 apples.
Mateo, I will speak fast now. Hello, I have 2 bags and 1 book.
Oh, I don't understand. Excuse me, can you repeat?
Of course. Hello, I have 2 bags and 1 book.
Thank you. John,
Yes, Mateo?
Sorry, excuse me, you were talking.
It's okay, Mateo. Very polite. Now we will mix greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, daily activities, and apologies in natural sentences. Repeat after me. Hello, sorry I'm late. I made 1 mistake on Monday. Sorry, I forgot my key. I'm sorry, I ate your sandwich. Excuse me, can you pass me the pen? My mistake. Today is Thursday. Sorry, I lost my bag. Now listen to a short story about Mateo making small mistakes. Mateo wakes up. He is sleepy. He looks at the time. It is 7 o'clock, but he thinks it is 8 o'clock. Mateo says, "Oh no, I'm late." But it is a mistake. It is 7 o'clock. Mateo says, "My mistake, I'm sorry." He makes breakfast. He wants coffee, but he takes tea by mistake. He says, "Oh, sorry, wrong drink." He goes to work. He takes the bus. He sits in the wrong seat. He says, "Oh, sorry, my mistake." At work, he speaks to his boss. He says, "Happy Monday," but it's Tuesday. He says, "Sorry, my mistake, happy Tuesday." At lunch, he buys a sandwich, but he drops a sandwich. He says, "Oh no, sorry." After work, he goes home. He relaxes. He says, "Mistakes happen. It's okay."
Yes, that is a very real story. I make many mistakes.
And that is okay, Mateo. That means you are learning. Listener, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'm sorry. My mistake. Excuse me. Can you repeat? I don't understand. Let me try again. Please speak slowly. Great job. Mateo, let's have a quick talk. How are you today?
I am tired. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I am tired.
Good correction. What day is today?
Today is Monday. Oh, no, my mistake. Today is Thursday.
Very good, Mateo. That was perfect. Let's review what we learned today. Greetings, hello, hi, good morning. Numbers, 1 to 10. Days, Monday to Sunday. Objects, phone, bag, pen, key. Food, water, coffee, bread. Daily activities, wake up, eat breakfast, go to work. Apologies, sorry, I'm sorry, my mistake, excuse me, fixing mistakes, wait, that is wrong, let me try again. Can you repeat?
Many useful things.
Yes, and you did very well.
Thank you, John.
And thank you, listener. Remember, making mistakes is normal. Saying sorry is easy. fixing mistakes is good. Learning English is a journey.
See you next time.
Goodbye. Have a great day.